ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಸ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್. ವ್ಯಾಸ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6, ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, 10-11 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸೊ 9, 10 ಆರ್ 11 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ಸೊ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಡಿಫೈನ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಸೋಮ್, ಇದು ಬರೀ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಕ್ರೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿನ್? ಆನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಗ್ರಿಫಿತ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್? Why DNA replication is called semi-conservative? Define transcription. Write the function of DNA ligase. Just function you have to write. Which type of RNA polymerase enzyme transcribes precursor mRNA? Type. Which type? Ashte bariyodu. Okay. Which chromosome of man has the least number of genes? Which chromosome of man has the least number of genes? Okay. Lactose is termed as inducer in lac operon. Give reason. Okay. What for it is termed as inducer in lac operon? Name the inducer which regulates the switching on and switching off of the lac operon. Ili inducer hesaru baribeku. Okay. Ille ide. Okay. Lactose is termed as a inducer in lac operon. Name the inducer which regulates the switching on and switching off. So, questions and answers are here only. Expand VNTR. Okay, VNTR na just expand ಮಾಡೋದು. Just ಬೇರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಬರೆಯೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. V ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, N ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, T ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, R ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay. 2 marks question. Name the scientist who found out DNA and what was the name given by him? DNA found out ಮಾಡಿರೋಂತ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು and what was the name given by him? DNA ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ what did he give the name for it? Okay. What is the central dogma in molecular biology? Who proposed it? Write the 2 basic amino acid residues which are rich in histones. tRNA is an adapter molecule. Comment. Codon AUG has dual function. Justify. What is DNA fingerprinting? Who developed it? Okay. Yes. 3 mark questions. We'll see. List any 3 criteria that molecule can act as a genetic material. DNA is the better genetic material than RNA. Justify the statement with 3 comparative reasons. RNA polymerases in eukaryotes show division of labor. Substantiate. Okay. RNA polymerases in eukaryotes show division of labor. Okay. Substantiate. What is mutation? Mention their types. Write any 3 salient features of human genome project. Very, very important this is. Okay. 3 salient features you have to write. List out any 3 important goals of human genome project. These are the salient features. Okay. Salient features are almost repeatedly asked than the goals. Okay. Next is 5 mark question. Describe the structure of double helix model of DNA. Children, this chapter is very, very important. You have to study everything. Okay. Describe the structure of double helix model of DNA. Explain the structure of nucleosome or write a note, okay, on packing of or packaging of DNA. Okay. This is not asked, but it may be like expected. Okay. So this year it may be expected. Mention the chemical linkages between the components of DNA. Differentiate euchromatin from heterochromatin. Okay. These are all asked questions. Okay, repeated. They are the PYQs. Describe the Frederick Griffith experiment to show transformation in bacteria. Oswald, Avery and others have continued Griffith's transforming principle to prove DNA as a genetic material, substantiate. Okay. Yeah, they are like repeated questions, okay, PYQ questions. Describe the process of DNA replication with the help of diagram. This also is very important question, repeated many times. DNA replication is said to be semi-conservative. Why? Describe the experimental proof of Messelson and Stahl to show DNA replication is semi-conservative. Okay, this also is important. Explain the stages of post-transcriptional modification. Not asked. This question is not asked. It's not a PYQ question, but maybe it is an expected question. Okay. Write the schematic structure of transcription unit. Enumerate salient features of genetic code. Okay. Not asked many times, but it is like most expected. Describe the process of translation of mRNA. Explain the Lac-Operon model with a labeled diagram. What are the applications of DNA fingerprinting technique? What are VNTRs? Mention the steps to detect VNTRs in identifying criminals in forensic investigation. Okay, so these are some of the 15, I meant to say 14 5-mark questions. Okay, yeah. So still you have not subscribed our channel, children. Please subscribe so that you will get still more questions. Okay, children. Thank you.